Okay, so what does it take to build the world's best air conditioner? Well, it takes 5 important components. Let's quickly look at that. 1. A great compressor. Pioneer is using a new twin-vane rotary compressor that has been designed to handle natural refrigerants. Vibration has been reduced with this new compressor by 74% compared to the old single-vane rotary compressor, and the performance is increased dramatically. 2. Your heat exchangers or your coils. This is where your energy is absorbed or rejected. Let's assume we both know that there is 2 forms of heat energy, that is sensible and latent. So with this new range of heat exchangers that we have developed, we've got a wider distribution of refrigerant to create a better saturate conditioner to the whole of the coil, thereby increasing the amount of latent heat energy being absorbed, as we know that latent heat is quite difficult to remove compared to sensible heat. We also developed an improved refrigerant metering device. Our refrigerant metering device is set up for natural refrigerants, so it's not a step controller, it's a constant flow controller. So what that means is that we're not based on steps, we're constantly modulating to get that superheat setting perfect, and the refrigerants running through the coil lovely, giving us a nice saturated condition in those new heat exchangers. Then we come to the motor. We work with the latest DC motors to reduce noise. They are wonderfully quiet. The biggest difference in our equipment is the refrigerants. This is the future. We got a wonderful compressor and wonderful components. Now we have a wonderful refrigerant. It's natural, it can soak up nearly twice as much heat energy compared to old chemical refrigerants like R410A and R32. It is also better for the environment than the chemical refrigerants. So let's have a look. M60, the natural refrigerant that we are using, it can absorb 486 kg of heat energy, and the old chemical refrigerant R410A that most of our competitors are using is not good for the environment, as it has global warming potential of over 2,600, and it's part of the global phase-out of HFC refrigerants starting in January 2018. R410A refrigerants can only absorb 256 kg. That's a big difference. After we have done all these upgrades, we ended up with a range of air conditioning units that on average of between 1 to 1.5 energy stars better than other air conditioners in the market. So we know that we've got wonderfully quiet, wonderfully efficient, extremely reliable air conditioners that work in extremes better than anybody else with 410A or R32 refrigerant. So if you have best inverter air conditioners in the market, how do you make it better? By giving them a 7 years domestic warranty and 5 years commercial warranty.